So if you're looking to upgrading your house or building a new house and you're deciding on your heating system, gas-fired, high-efficient boilers and a combi type system is a very good solution. There's a variety of reasons. Initially, you will be upgrading to an all-in-one appliance. So it's a naturally gas-fired appliance at a 95% efficiency. That means you're burning gas at the most efficient manner possible. And also our units can do heating and hot water all combined together. Here's an example of a wall-hung combi boiler. This unit does on-demand hot water, and at the same time, if you come over here, it does a furnace replacement. So this is a fan coil that will replace your current furnace. If we move over to the other side, we also have a combi boiler system that does domestic hot water with storage. And moving a little bit further over, it will do heating with in-floor heating as well.